What's up, home bartenders? Summer's almost over, we're heading into fall, time to make some awesome fall cocktails like this Kentucky Mac with bourbon, apple cider, and mint. Let's do it. We've got local apple cider, homemade ginger liqueur, bourbon, and fresh ginger, starting with a couple knobs of ginger and some mint leaves from the garden, and then we're gonna give that a quick muddle. While you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, get notified when we release new content. All right, good, we've got those flavors aromatized. Let's go in with the bourbon, 1.5 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Old Ezra here. And then we're gonna go in with our homemade ginger liqueur. Use whatever ginger liqueur you got, but check out that recipe because this stuff is amazing. We want 1 ounce of our ginger liqueur, follow that up with 2 ounces of apple cider. Now this is cloudy apple juice. It's not hard cider, not alcoholic cider. This is just delicious, fresh apple juice. Okay, give it some ice, shake it, and then we're going to grab a rocks glass and serve it over some crushed ice. There we go, strain it through. For garnish, we're gonna do some mint and a nice fan of apples. And there it is, Kentucky Mac. All right, the Kentucky Mac. This looks amazing. Wow. I mean, bourbon, mint, obviously that goes well together, mint juleps. Add to that the apples and that ginger note, which really plays well with apples. This is a phenomenal drink. What I would do differently is add maybe a little hint of lemon, just to give it a little more tartness. This apple juice is not really sour, it is quite sweet. So yeah, a little bit of lemon, maybe just 1/2 ounce to just give it a little sour, a little tartness. But other than that, this is a really nice sipper, perfect way to head into fall. And since we're just at the end of summer, you probably have some mint left in your garden, hasn't died yet. So this is awesome. See you on the next one.